Hey, it's Lorna, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a pair of Dr. Martens to show you. Yes, it is time. I received one of my uniform pair and this one is the 1B60 Bex. So I already had the 1B60 normal sole as a, you know, like a Pascal boot. It's in leather Virginia, so I'm gonna show you also how it looked like. The first one I will compare a bit. So this one I haven't worn already. Now that I'm doing this video, I will do a little update. I will also add a little clip of my legs because it will be a bit hard to show you like this, so I'll just show you the shoes right now. Let's go. So the box is huge, the bag is huge. Oh my god, it is too heavy. So Bex is the in between the quad sole and the normal classic sole, like the classic 1B60 from Dr. Martens that you know since 1960 is really thin, like the really, not this really thin, it's the classic one. So I'm gonna show you just to compare. So these are my 1B60 Virginia with the classic sole. So you can see this is the really classic sole, not platform at all, really from the classic ones. So it's the same height, it's just not the same leather. It's really less heavy and I can run a lot with this. Not that I cannot run with the other one, but these are really lighter. And this is the quad sole, so it comes on every Jadon apart from the Jadon Max. But these are the Jadon Pisa, which really look like just, you know, a bit shorter. And the platform is bigger, so you can see in comparison with the Bex sole that I'm showing that this one is a bit bigger. This is the in between this and the quad sole. The quad sole is the bigger sole that everyone wants on the Jadon, not the Jadon Max, but the normal Jadon is the quad sole. This is the in between. So this is the Bex sole, like this. It looks fat. I'm used to the 1B60 with the classic sole, so even though it's not a quad sole, now that I'm seeing this, I think it's a bit big. Not that it's bad, it's just I always think Bex is not like super heavy, super platform, but on the 1B60 that I haven't got before, I think it's good. It's platformy, yes. Okay, so let's do a little close-up. Looks like this. Okay, so the sole is like this, really has a good grip. So this is the Bex sole. It's good if you're walking around in the city, of course, but even if you're walking in the forest or something a bit more that you need a bit more grip, it's good. I wore a Bex sole I think during winter and there was some snow, and it's good also. Obviously you need to protect the leather if you're gonna really wear the Dr. Martens in the snow. I always say to the customer, Dr. Martens are not shoes, like it's not like moon boots, you know, it's not like shoes to be worn in this kind of snow, but it is good enough that if it's really cold and there's a bit of layer of snow, it will be okay. I never had any problem with it, so this is good. But maybe do not, you know, risk more and more just to see if they hold. No, it's also leather. If you're wearing little socks, you will be a bit cold, not like in a sneaker pair, but still. So okay, it's not moon boots, right? But it's really good and really isolating also from, I think it's isolating from the cold and from the more warm too, because I wear them also in summer, so because it's leather, so it's really, you know, I don't even know the word in French. We say I think we say thermoresistant, something like that, which is really isolating you from the outside temperature. So it's good. I won't say the contrary. But anyway, this sole is good for the city, and also if you're a bit doing some hiking, this is also good. So you have the laces that are like more than 2 meters. I think they came with more than 2 meter 40. We usually give 2 meter 40 on some high boots like this, but I don't know why. I think when I got them, it feels super long. I'm wondering if it's not 2 meter 60. Anyway, it's not really important. It's just that if it's 2 meter 60, then if you are gonna buy them apart at the cash desk at a Dr. Martens store, it will be 2 meter 40, but it will fit too, don't worry. Anyway, so you also have the zip here. I thought it was a bit, when I've tried them on, I thought it was not really fitting. I don't know why it has really shaped like this, you know, cone shape. I think it's how they were in the box maybe, so I have to wear them just to see if, you know, I think that the leather will be a bit more like this. I don't know, I don't want it to stay like this, I want it to be a bit more fitted, so I will try and we will see. This is a Pisa leather. It's like my Pisa Jaden that I show you before, or maybe add the link. It's really good. You have the little eyelets that are like this. It's kind of the really same shoe, it's just that it's higher, and it's not the quad sole, it's the Bex sole. It's really the same comfort. I want to say comfort because it's a soft leather to do. It's not that hard to break in. It's just that it's not because it's a greasy leather like this that it's gonna be really easy to do. It will be easier than the smooth, for sure. It's just that put some really big sock, because even with this kind of leather, it's kind of hurting me a bit here at first. It's normal, the shoe has never been worn before. Here I can also see it a bit. So yeah, put some walks, put some big socks, and that will be okay. The inside is like this of the sole. This is not a fake one. A customer came the other day saying it was a fake shoe. No, the Bex sole is like this. You can see in transparency, you can see some kind of thing written. Anyway, so you have the yellow stitching again. Yeah, what can I say? This one is made in Asia, like all the ones not from the Made in England line. This is a fancy limited edition shoe, so yes, it is made in Asia. You have this, which is helping also, and yeah, I think one day there's the smooth without the zipper, because I think the zipper makes it a bit more, it's easy to put on, but it, you know, it takes away a bit like the authenticity from Dr. Martens. So if there's the 1B60 in smooth leather without the zip, one day I'm gonna buy it. So this pair is €20.49. Don't know in pounds, don't know in dollars. I don't know if you guys have it in the American part, because I know we have different part of Dr. Martens. You guys have some collection. We don't have the Asian part also of Dr. Martens, have something we don't have, and we are the European territory, so even if the UK is not European anymore, we still have the same thing. So I don't know the price in pounds. The size I took is a 38, so UK 5. And UK 5 gives a box like this. So can you imagine 43 or more? A size UK 9 or more? I don't know. I think this one comes up to UK. Yeah, UK 9 will be the larger size from this one. Okay, I don't know if you have any question, let me know, and I'm gonna show you the little clips from where I try, and after maybe a little update if I liked it. I think I'm gonna wear it first at work and then outside, because I need to break them in when I'm standing up and walking in the store, and maybe if it's not going well, I change my shoe. You know, I cannot go for a walk or doing some shopping for 2 hours with them on my foot. This is more dangerous than spending a day at my work. But this isn't just me, because I know that you need, if you want to break your shoe, you need to know that you have time and space to change shoes. Just do not stay in a shoe that is hurting. You will do kind of a bit more and more days after days. That's okay. And so I will start doing this at work, and then I can tell you how it went. Thank you again for watching. I'll leave you with the little clips, and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.